Live na live tayo sa TikTok mo ngayon. I-live natin.
Music 21 Makati! Yay!
Puso ka dyan pa. Hello, wala ko ang nanonood dyan. Ba yan? Panday pa.
Wow, sobrang... Ikaw kanta?
Hindi ko alam yung Never Too Far.
Turn the pain to the rain. What we have to this experience.
Lipat ko ha. Lipat dito. Ay, may
So so my heart can mend and be breathing love.
Ano nga yung basis lang ako?
Please, in time, still belongs to us. Stays present in my mind. In the memories there is solace.
Never too far away. I want the time to rest. Body can take your place. Truth can never be. I'll keep you close to me. And I remember.
Still present in my mind, in the memories that solace is never far away.
Kaya pala di ako makasunod, mababa yung version niya.
Want me to get day, 'cause I am hurt. No, body can take your place. Rooted and never be. I'll keep you close to me. I remember. Hello to all the viewers.
Still belongs to us. Please present
dapat tinanong mo ko.
in the memories there is song. Wow,
Hindi nivelo. Hindi yung
never
para sa
only time erase one bit of yesterday, 'cause I am loving that now. Body can take your place, so we can never be. I'll think of you
Hintay ng yelo, ate.
always remember.
Ay, call live. Call live lang. Bravo!
grabe nga tili ba?
Ayun pala yun.
Galing! Ang galing talaga! Galing!
Hello to all the viewers na dumadaan. Charan. Ayan na, I will always love you.
Hindi ko din kaya to.
I should stay. I would only be your way.
Wait lang ah.
So
Hello to my viewers.
Wala ako.
no, I think of you.
Kasi
Kami na mag-live kasi na ano.
The way.
Di ba ito mga ano? Bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye.
Cheers na tayo.
Don't cry. We both know what you need, and I will always love you. Will always love you.
Hindi ko na kaya yan. Di ba lang yan, Ting?
May nag-join sa live ko, may ibang lahi. Ayoko ma.
Dahil lang yung viewers mo.
Wala. May gumagana sila. Join.
I hope life treats you kind, and I hope you have all you dream of, and I'm wishing you joy and happiness, but above this, I'm wishing you love.
Ay, wala yan.
Charas lang yun. Practice lang. Hello sa one viewer. Kung sino ka pa. Practice yung na. Love you.
Gabi na lagi.
Nasa yung greatest love of all mo.
Nakalagay na rin dyan. Mamaya, maghintay ka. Pwede.
Okay. Hello? Okay, tayo ka na.
Yakin ka niya yan.
Patakatayo ba, Tim? Apit ka sa uwan.
I'm here to take all the clock. I'm lying here to miss each time. I wonder where you are tonight. No answer on the telephone.
Ikaw sa chorus ha.
And the night goes by so very slow. Oh, I hope that it won't end. Oh, I love. Till now, I always got by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now I just need to jump on. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone?
Nag-comment ko, no? Ano yun po?
Wala.
You don't know how long I have wanted to touch
Kaya,
your
once
lips
mo
and
na-direct
hold
mo
you
kasi pwede na siya mag-record
tight.
after, di ba? Pag
Ooh, you don't know how long I have wanted
was going to tell you tonight, but the secret is still my own, and my love for you is still unknown. Alone.
Ay, wala.
Till now, I always stood by your heart. I never really cared until I met you. And now it chills me to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you Hello, hello sa mga nanonood. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? Hello to Mama Next. Hello to you. Ayan. Bigas lang nawala. Mga dumadaang viewers yan eh. Next. Teka, ano mga to? Yan, alam ko rin yan.
Paumpisa lang ako.
Please.
Guess mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to
Bigas na
know.
mapul ko din ah.
There's just no getting over you. I know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see? There's nothing else for me to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you.
But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you.
My head is saying, oh, forgive me. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on to the end. That's what I intend to do. I'm hopelessly devoted
Hello,
to you.
But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Kailangan ako hopelessly devoted to you. Diba? Tututunak sa'yo eh.
Saan?
Sa'yo yan.
Yan na, sa'yo na yan.
O, tumayo ka kasi para hindi naiipi. Kaya mo yan.
Kaya. Baka may nag-comment na doon. Baka yung mga request na.
Oh, baka may request nila. Alam mo na. Wala naman.
Wala. Ako lang ako ng request.
Yung ma.
I believe the children of our future teach them when and then to lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sins so right to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. Never found anyone who fulfill my needs. A lonely place to sleep. Hello.
Mas paano dito, Mego eh?
Only had to start long ago. Never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least to live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learning to know yourself, it is the greatest love of all. I believe the children of our future teach them where and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of
Sayang na to.
make it easier. Let the children of love to remain us how we used to be.
I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live silently. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity. Because the greatest It's all coming back. Ano ka dati? Ganda yun.
Ikaw sa ano ha?
Oo.
Mga ano to, mga hanggang ano to, 11 yung to. 11 na, ang tagal na ano niya. Tagal yan, ate. Pwede ba tayo muna mag-ano mo, kwentuhan, no? Ay, kamusta ka lang, ate? Ay, kamusta? Uy, ano ba?
Ay, ganun.
Oo, matagal talaga yan.
Ito eh.
Eh, si Linjon to, no?
Oo.
Ay, nako! Kaya nga, kailangan talig ko sa...
Matagal talaga, ate.
Ay, talaga? Di ba, breast
Oo. Oo, wala pasok. Oo. Di ba? Di ba dapat na siya lang?
The nights when the wind was so cold that my body bruises bad if I just listen to it right up the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel, all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying in the instant that you left, and I can't remember when or where or how.
And I'm banish every memory you and I have ever made. When you touch me like this, when you hold me like that, I just have to admit that it's all coming back to me. Touch you like this, and I hold you like that. So hard to believe, but it's all coming back to me.
So coming back to me now. The moments of gold and there are flashes of light. There were days I'll never do again, and then there always seems right.
To the nights of endless pleasure, it was more than any loss of love. Baby, 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 if I kissed you like this, and if you whisper like that, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. You want me like this, and if you need me like that, it was that long ago, but it's all coming back to me. It's hard to resist, and it's all coming back to me. I can barely recall, but it's all coming back to me now. All coming back. Ipahabol pa pala.
There were those empty threats and hollow lines, and whenever you try to hurt me, I just hurt you even more and so much deeper.
Hours that just spent on 4 days, when alone at last we caught on all the chance that were lost to us forever. But you were history is slamming on the door, and I made myself so strong and somehow, and I never wasted any of my time on you since then. If you touch you like this, and if you kiss me like that, it was so long ago, but it's all coming back to me. If I touch you like this, and I kiss you like that, it was gone with the wind, but it's all coming back to me. So coming back to me now. The mornings so long, and there were flashes of light. There were You kiss me like this, so bring me back to me now. When I touch you like that, it's all coming back to me now. If you do it like this, it's all coming back to me now. And if we
Request nga ako, di.
Parang hindi siya umano. Tawagin natin yung ano.
Call light.
This one.
Sabi mo, parang kailangan pasok.
Hindi kailangan naka-ano lang.
Ayan.
Open lang.
Maayos mo lang. Ito, ano ba ito?
Ay, ay.
Oh?
di ko naririnig ang halaga ng buhay sa daigdig. Narinig ba isang ngayon at
May tama na ba, te? May tama na ba? Wala mo rin showing lang, wala nag-request. Paano magpag-request mo?
Galing!
Improving na ba? Improving?
Galing, galing, galing.
Next.
Hindi mo na ko yan eh.
Galing, galing, galing.
Hello to my one viewer na nagsistay right now, Ate Ani Kayata, si Ate Ani Ana. May request ka ba?
Ay, akin yun. Sound check, check, check.
Si Ate Big Girl, hindi ko makantate. Ano yung most?
Sound. everyone poetry. Call me by name, only baby. What did you give? The last that I need. Everyone says I look clean when it feels right. I know that you're wrong for me, but I wish we never met on the day I left. I brought you down to your knees, 'cause they say that misery loves company. It's not your fault that's throwing everything, and it's not your fault they can't be what you need, baby. Just like you can fly down here with me. I'm everything they said I would be. I'm everything they said I would be. Down the love you goodbye before you let go. Just one more time. Take off your clothes, pretend that it's fine. A little more hurt, but feel it tonight. Mother says you don't look happy. Close your eyes. I know that you're wrong for me. Gotta wish we never met on the day I left. I brought you down to your knees, 'cause they say that misery loves company. It's not your fault they're throwing everything, and it's not your fault they can't be what you need, baby. Just like you can fly down here with me. I'm everything they said I would be.
Hello to my dumadang viewers.
I know that you're wrong for me. Gotta wish we never met on the day I left. I brought you down to your knees, 'cause they say that misery loves company. It's not your fault they're throwing everything, and it's not your fault they give me what you need, baby. Just like you can fly down here with me. Oh, angels like you can fly down here with me.
Taas pala niyan, te. Ay, kanyang kanta. Ngayon ko lang naano yung kanta niya. Hello? Hello?
Ano ba yan?
And hello to my viewer there. Hi, Rose. Is that you?
Ano yan?
Hindi ko alam. Baka ikaw na po. Skyline.
Ah, okay.
Sabi ko pala.
Bago ba ito?
Ang lalaki.
May red na po ito yan.
Tell me news from your hands. Let me fly to the distant lands. Over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers we wake up in the morning to the smell of you away. So live in bright, so live in time in the brightness of my day. I wanna hear the believers of this is to say, but most of all, please free me from this aching metal brain. And open up this cage to us song. For just this skyline, I need you to bring me to the open, waiting for the day and he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline, I need you tonight, baby, towards the trees so very far behind. Fly away, skyline into the night, towards the trees and strawberry, so very far behind.
Palakpakan naman sa skyline.
Version niya, version.
Matindi.
Yun na, sa'yo din yan.
Mga fairy.
Tara, sabayan niyo ako dyan.
Wow!
Till I was alone in the shadows, couldn't find my way. Then you came and brought along the sunshine. Now you're here to stay, and you made me shine, shine like the stars in the heavens. Shine, 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 be the light that you give it. It's true, I'm shining on all because of you. So what we do, our lead shades with the breeze. People dance me wild, and I just fight and tell them from the shadow of my
Galing. Baka naman yan.
Ako na.
Wait, gusto ko yan.
Sige, kayong dalawa.
all the latest hits. Bagong bago. Bagong bago. Bagong bago.
Pinalipas ko, naroon ka na, bakit pa humanap ng iba? Ngayon, ikaw ang pinapangarap, pinanghinayangan ko ang lahat. Bakit ba ang pagsisisi lagi na sa huli? Ang mga lumipas ay di na maaaring balikan. Sayang, bakit ako nag-alinlangan pa? Tuloy kayo lumuluka at nanghinaya. Kung maiba, balik ko lang ang dati mong pagmamahal. Pagkaingatan ko at aalagaan. Kung maiba, balik ko lang ang dating ikot ng mundo. Ang gusto ko'y lagi na lang sa piling mo.
Hindi ka kasi nasumawan dito.
Sige, sige.
Are you having fun? Interlude.
Sayang, bakit ako nag-alinlangan pa? Tuloy kayo'y lumuluha at nanghihinaya. Kung maiba, balik ko lang ang dati mong pagmamahal. Pagkaingatan ko at aalagaan. Kung maiba, balik ko lang ang dating ikot ng mundo. Ang gusto ko'y lagi na lang sa piling mo. Kung maiba, balik ko lang ang dating ikot ng mundo. Ang gusto ko'y lagi na lang sa piling mo. Pilapin mo yung pinagka mo, ha?
Ay, sebe yan. Akala ko saksalin.
Pilapin mo, ha?
Sorry na kasi.
Local lang, oh.
Ito, ano to? Ito, hindi ko to alam, pero ito-try ko to. Practice.
Ihin ako ng ihi. Kakaloko.
Umiinig ka ba?
Ihi ako ng ihi, te.
Oh. Put my defenses down, 'cause I don't fall in love. If I get inside, I'd see that I have a heart attack. Never put my love on the line. Never said yes to the right guy. Never had trouble getting what I want. But when it comes to you, never good. And I don't care. I can play like I can talk. Won't rush my hair and make me want to talk. Make me wanna hug this girlfriend. Your high heels, yes, you make me so nervous. Just can't go. Make over on the show. So I'm putting my defenses on. I don't wanna fall in love. If I ever did that, I'd take that house. Hello, babe. Mamaya na, umiinom pa. Shot. Every time I try to be myself, it comes out wrong. Just not fair. Makes more trouble than one is worth. I got all it's so that you know hindi ko masyado memorize to, ha? Hello, bakit naman i-heart ko yan, please? Bilang tulong dito. So, hindi ko pa masyado. Shot. Think about the heart
Lakas na ng aircon nila, oh.
Nawawala yung signal. Nawawala siya.
Mga pong hindi.
Nawawala yung ano.
Uy, ang galing na tayo, ah.
Sabi na susolo dito, oh.
Ano kanta mo?
Susolo, oh. Tahimik lang dito, oh. Masaya ka ba, te?
Sino kumain dyan?
Tahimik ka
Kakain
masyado,
ako dyan,
te.
ah. Tikman ko to. Sarap ba?
Hindi ka kumain ng bino?
Hindi.
Ito na.
Ngayon pa
Sarap
lang.
ba?
Oh,
Pantay na rin.
ito natin yung kung mas masarap pa sa bihon ni Ninang na niluto niya nung isang araw.
Perfect.
Dami no.
Ay, kita ko sa parang gusto mo rin magpapalito.
Taos na ng ito.
Hindi, perfect na yun. Kahit kahit anong anggulo.
Hindi ah.
Yes. Kumbaga, Miss Flawless.
Nag-iisip na lang din para special yan. Oo naman, syempre, te, magmakalit sa mga kailangan gumanda, di ba?
Wala na mo po.
Magpapatami daw siya.
Si Ate, okay naman na yan si Ate. Sabi na anak niya.
Nakaalim na ako.
Dami na yan. Okay na yan.
Magpapaganyan na tapos labo naman siya ng labo. Sayang ng pera.
Ay, wag na lang. Te, wag. Kain ka na lang, te. Mas masarap. Kasi mga ato, te. Masasayang lang, te.
Babalik lang ulit eh.
Oo.
Huwag na lang.
Kahit mas masarap di kumain.
Hindi, pero pananalo kami ni Bigger Millones.
Saan yun? Sa Lotto. Ay, so.
Hindi lalo siya sponsor na. Pati mga pamangkin.
natin si ate.
Pati daw ito,
Ako naman, paano talaga kasi
Stasya. Si Stasya, si Ika.
sis siyang lalo. Oh.
Nga.
Hindi ko na kung saan nagmana yung ilong niya eh. Masaya ka ba? Okay ka? Gusto mo tulong? Masasapawan ka ulit. Gusto mo ba yun? Sapawan ka. Okay na, ako na.
I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep. This was me, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, this feeling's will never turn still to see you be. And I don't wanna miss a thing.
I don't wanna miss one smile. I don't wanna miss one kiss.
Cheers! 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 Cheers!
I just wanna hold you close, feel your heart to mine, and stay here in
Bring this moment for the rest of time. Ooh. I don't wanna close my eyes.
Oh.
I don't wanna fall asleep. 'Cause I love you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep. 'Cause I miss you, baby. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dreams will never pass. I don't miss you, baby. I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss a thing.
Galing. O sige, next song.
Ano
Mild
song
and Joy.
Sabi ko pangarap kong ibigin ka.
Ay, teka.
Ay, wala na.
Wala na, nagkikin na sa akin yung alak eh. Yan sinasabi ko, ayaw kumakanta talaga
Ano
eh.
ba nangyari? Ba't na biglang nawala?
Naubos na yung pinasok.
Ay, hindi na tayo kinayat eh.
Ang ano, meron na ba naka-ano dyan?
Meron pa nga eh. Teka, baka.
Ayun.
Pangarap ko ba kung may lagi mo para sa'yo ha?
Para sa'yo, ang laban na to. Para sa'yo.
Wala, nawala ko yung ano nila.
Nasira na yung TV.
Oh, wala.
Hindi, wala. Oh.
I-ano mo na MTV spotlight mo na kasi dapat naubos natin to.
Uy, hindi na ubusin. Ubusin nyo
Pwede
na.
ba tayo take out na?
No take out eh.
Ay, iti-take out. Ano? Alak din.
Ah, hindi pwede.
Eh, hindi iti-take out dyan. Parang may iti-take out alak. Bato ka ba?
Yung plastic.
Eh, naman yung plastic yan, di.
Lagyan ng straw.
Ay, hindi. Ito lang ito.
Nawala. Wait lang po.
Ay, iti-take out ganyan, di. Ano eh, sususurin mo na akong maestro. So,
Nakakalahati. Kailangan ubusin yun, no? Sayang.
ayun na.
Hindi ako umiinom.
Ate, ayaw niyo pa pakipahing talaga. Mag-i-11 lang kami, oh. Kakaloka
Ang
mo.
sarap naman, parang punch lang siya.
Yun
Hindi
yung
wala
bit mo
naman
eh.
ano,
Mas
diba?
maulangat mo
Hindi lang ako umiinom kasi sabi ko,
Ikaw na lang yelo.
Mas matapang nga yan.
Ah,
Yung
okay.
kagabi siguro eh. Yung kagabi mas matapang pa eh, no?
Lagyan mo kong
Yung
yelo.
juice lang.
juice lang.
Pero alam mo sa amin, sa aming magkakapatid, ang pinakamagandang boses talaga si Wilma talaga.
No?
Oo.
Ikaw!
Hindi, si Vilma talaga.
Si
Oo.
Vilma.
Si Vilma talaga.
Pinakamagandang itago mo na yung tugtog mo, ha?
Ikaw! Akala ko yung sis mo yun!
After nung kanta,
Ako,
i-stop mo
ako
na.
nasa gitna lang ako. Nasa gitna lang ako. Si Vilma talaga. Mga pangra kasi si Vilma.
Ha?
Siya pa-
Papang-rock-rock kasi si Vilma. Parang siya na si Kuya, more on ano rin siya, more on mga alternative. Diba? Kaya nakakatuwa kasi nung nakabandi ko si Kuya talaga, more on na nakita ko yung mga tugtugan na gusto niya. Sinabayan ko kahit hirap na hirap ako, kasi ako diva ako eh.
Yeah.
Diva ako tapos gusto niya alternative rock. Hindi ko kaya yun. Pero kailangan ko sumabay. Kailangan ko sumabay sa kanya.
share lang ako kasi tanongin ko hanggang kapag 3 hours na tayo.
Hindi na ito na nga kay 11 daw tayo eh. Ano ba? Sige.
Oo nga, tutunin ko kasi baka mamaya labas
Bakit
na tayo.
wala pa rin, no?
I-stop
Ano yung TikTok mo?
Wala namang nag-message siya yun.
Ay, meron!